If the Grammarly AI icon is popping up on your laptop while you're browsing, don't worry, you can hide it in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off that floating Grammarly assistant or disable it on specific websites, so your text fields look clean and distraction-free. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips and simple software guides. First, open the browser where Grammarly is showing up and look at the top right corner for the Grammarly icon in your toolbar. Click that icon to open the Grammarly menu. Once the menu appears, look for the option labeled Writing Suggestions or Floating Assistant. This is usually what controls the little AI icon that appears in text boxes across websites. Toggle that option off, and the floating Grammarly icon should disappear from your typing areas. If you only want to hide it on one website, there may also be an option that says Turn off Grammarly. Click that to completely deactivate Grammarly for that specific site. This is a great option if you want Grammarly available in some places, but not on every page you visit. After turning it off, refresh the web page to make sure the icon is gone. If it still appears, double-check that the browser extension is installed and active. Then open the settings again and confirm the floating assistant is disabled. This process works well if Grammarly is interrupting your workflow, covering buttons, or cluttering your screen while you work. And just to be clear, this does not delete Grammarly from your account. It only hides or pauses the assistant where you don't want it. So now you know how to hide the Grammarly AI icon on a laptop in the fastest way possible. If this helped, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.